Yeah, hello, how are you doing today? I'm back again. So still me, blogger effects. So today guys, I'm gonna teach you how to add your site to Google search so that your site will pop up when somebody type on Google. So the first thing you're gonna do now is to hook onto your Google Chrome, then go to your search and type in blogspot. blogspot. So wait for it to load. Right. So then use your second menu tab to search for Google Search Console. Then click enter. Blogger. So we click the first one on top right here. So the next thing now guys, you have to hook onto your Google. Stop calling me. Hook onto your Google, then click on theme. Please stop calling me. I'm not here for you. So nice. Then select your account. Alright. When you open to your then go back to your search, you now click on start now. Then start. Go back to your site. Click on add properties. Add. You can see domain new URL. So what we're going to use now, we are going to copy our URL from our website now. Then you have to go back to your blogspot, click view blog, then copy your URL and paste it right here. That's good. Okay, then click continue. Now you see, and go to property. So what we're gonna do now is to confirm, to verify our Google search account with our blogspot. So you have to click settings, then click owner verification. Then you will see something like HTML5, HTML tag, Google analysis, and Google tag manager, etc. So what we're gonna use now, we're gonna use our HTML tag to verify. Then you click here, right here, just to copy the code. Then go back to your site. Oh shit. Okay. Click the theme. Sorry. Then edit theme. Then once the thing come up, you have to look for the heading tag, the open tag of your head. So this is my header here. have to click, then enter, then I'll paste it right here, so you can see, then click save. Processing. Okay, you can see it's done. Then you go back to your site, Google search console, and say verify, to verify the owner. If you have already pressed it, verification successful. So now you have to click on sitemap, then I'll go back to your Google and type in blogger Bing sitemap generator and click enter. Right now you click on the top bar, top one, right click. Oh B, stop calling me, disturbing me. Stop. Okay, you paste your URL here. No. Fuck that. Oh, no. Go back to your site, copy your URL, which is leave me alone. Copy your URL, get back to your Google search console, then place it and generate your HTML code right here. You can see the reason why we're gonna leave this now is because already your sitemap, they have already provide your URL there right here. So what we're gonna do now is to copy 80 from ATM to 500, then copy and get back to your sitemap, paste it here, paste, then you submit it. So after this, what you're gonna wait for now is Google approval. Once you get Google approved, and see Google will blah blah look, change and not notify if anything goes wrong with it in the future. Got it. Oh, can see successful. We are now successful. Preview. We have only 8 posts. Can see it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 7. So now everything is set. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. So and remember to click on the bell so that you can get notification whenever I upload new video. Thank you so much. To your love, your one and only blogger effects. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay.